What if you could replace most of your daily apps with just a few powerful AI tools? Today, we switch between apps for writing, design, coding, and productivity. But AI is changing everything. AI assistants like ChatGPT can replace search engines, note-taking apps, and even brainstorming tools. You can ask questions, write content, and learn anything instantly. Tools like Canva AI make design effortless. You can create posts, presentations, and graphics in seconds without any design skills. For developers, GitHub Copilot can write and suggest code, debug errors, and speed up development like never before. Platforms like Renderforest let you create complete videos in minutes using AI without advanced editing skills. Notion AI combines notes, tasks, and automation, replacing multiple productivity apps in one place. The future is not about using more apps. It's about using smarter ones, powered by AI. Which AI tool will you try first? Comment below and subscribe Lunatic Coder for more tech content.